Welcome to LifeWeaver. In this video, we'll get your account set up and connect the data sources that help LifeWeaver weave your story. We'll also walk through WeaveSync, which is a computer step that lets LifeWeaver include iMessages in an Apple-compliant way. If you run into anything confusing, call our LifeWeaver setup assistant or email us. We're here to help. Quick heads up before we start. Make sure your iPhone and your computer are up to date. Install any pending updates on your phone and on your Mac or PC before continuing. This prevents connection and permission issues during setup. This is LifeWeaver. Your story is already being written. We'll weave the moments across your digital life into a journal you can revisit and pass down. Tap Let's begin to start. Enter your first name and last name, then type in your email address. Create a password and confirm your password. Then tap Create Account. Check your email for the 6-digit code, enter it here, then tap Verify Code. If you don't see it yet, check spam or junk and tap Resend. Next is your privacy framework. Scroll to the bottom to enable acceptance. Facial recognition consent is required to use LifeWeaver because it powers how we organize photos by person, and it cannot be turned off later. Once you've scrolled through and accepted, tap Continue. Your mind remembers in moments, not pages. LifeWeaver helps you reflect on the memories and milestones already in your digital life. Tap Continue. Choose the type of computer you use, Mac or PC. This helps us tailor setup instructions for your device. Then tap Continue. To include iMessages in an Apple-compliant way, LifeWeaver uses WeaveSync. Before you start WeaveSync, confirm messages in iCloud is enabled and fully synced. If storage is full, upgrade iCloud and let syncing complete. To connect iPhone messages the secure, Apple-approved way, LifeWeaver uses WeaveSync, a simple desktop bridge. WeaveSync is read-only and Apple-compliant. On a PC, you will connect your iPhone with a cable when you want to sync. The first sync can take hours, so it's best to do it at night. Tap Continue. Now the PC steps. Plug your iPhone into your PC using an Apple USB-C or USB cable. Plug both devices into power. During syncing, your iPhone and your PC cannot go to sleep, so keep your iPhone screen on and keep your PC awake. If your iPhone asks, "Trust this computer," tap Trust and enter your passcode. Install WeaveSync from the Microsoft Store if you have not already, then open WeaveSync and log in with your LifeWeaver email and password. Start syncing and leave everything connected until it finishes. The first sync can take hours, so it's best to do this at night. Open WeaveSync on your PC and log in using the same username and password you used for LifeWeaver. When prompted, grant access. On PC, for now, syncing requires plugging your iPhone into your computer. When you want new iMessages included, connect your iPhone and run WeaveSync again. Tap Continue. You're almost done. Make sure WeaveSync is installed from the Microsoft Store and connect your iPhone to your PC using an Apple USB-C or USB cable. If your iPhone asks you to trust the computer, tap Trust and enter your passcode. Keep your iPhone and your PC awake and plugged into power until syncing finishes. The first sync can take hours, so it's best to do this overnight. Tap Continue to proceed. On your computer, open WeaveSync and sign in with the same email and password you used for LifeWeaver. Now let's connect your iPhone. Plug it into your PC using a USB cable and keep your iPhone unlocked with your passcode entered. If WeaveSync doesn't detect your phone automatically, click Refresh on the Device tab. The first time you connect, your iPhone will ask, "Trust this computer?" Tap Trust and enter your passcode. Then come back to WeaveSync and click Pair Device again to complete the connection. Great! Your iPhone is connected and paired successfully. Now you're ready to begin. Click Start Backup to start extracting your messages and attachments. Your messages are now uploading to LifeWeaver. While this runs, you'll see a progress bar and a count of messages being processed. Depending on how many messages you have, this may take a few minutes. Just leave your phone connected and let the upload finish. Your sync is complete. Your messages and attachments have been securely uploaded to the LifeWeaver cloud. If you want to sync another device or run another upload, you can click Sync Another. Otherwise, click Excellent Done to finish. Choose how often you want to be reminded. If you pick weekly, select the day or days, then choose the time. You can change this anytime in Settings. tap Continue. What matters most right now? Choose 3 to 5 areas you want LifeWeaver to focus on as it weaves your story. You can also add your own focus area. Tap Skip if you'd rather do this later. Now choose the tone of your weave. These sliders guide how LifeWeaver writes your day threads, from calm to passionate, private to open, structured to spontaneous, reflective to outgoing, and factual to poetic. You can change this anytime. Tap Continue. Next, choose what stays visible in your weave. Turn on any topics you want, hidden from your visible day threads. You can also add a custom topic. When you hide a topic, it isn't deleted. It simply won't appear in your visible day threads. Tap Continue. Now choose what you want LifeWeaver to highlight. These threads help LifeWeaver keep the joy, humor, and heart of your life visible in your day threads. Turn on anything you want emphasized or add your own. Tap Continue. Next, we'll connect the data sources you want LifeWeaver to weave from. Tap Continue. Connect the sources you want LifeWeaver to gather from. Everything is read-only. LifeWeaver cannot edit, send, or delete messages. Tap Connect next to any source you want to link, then tap Continue when you're ready. Now you'll create your first daily drop. The first daily drop captures yesterday, the messages, photos, and moments that made up your day. From tomorrow onward, each daily drop captures the current day. Add a reflection if you want, then tap Generate. You can also upload photos by choosing Camera or your gallery. When you're ready, tap Generate. Welcome to Loom Sifter. Before your day thread is woven, LifeWeaver sifts through your day to surface moments that may matter, like affectionate messages, reflection moments, celebrations, and shared photos. Loom Sifter works quietly in the background. Tap Begin the Sift. Behind the scenes, Loom Sifter is turning moments into memory, ready for your day thread. This may take a few moments. Threads untangled. Your digital moments have been sifted and sorted. Tap Weave My Story. Welcome to Snags. We'll show you one photo at a time, and you decide what to do with it. You have 3 options: add to my thread, keep, or delete later. Quick heads up. You may see some extra photos that do not match the exact time window. This can happen because your phone sometimes surfaces additional images through the system. It's normal. In Snags, you decide what belongs in your weave. One more tip: if someone texts you a photo you want included in your LifeWeaver story, save it to your Photos app. Photos that stay only inside a message thread can be harder for LifeWeaver to pick up and weave in. Tap Proceed now to start. For each photo, choose one. Add to my thread, keep, or delete later. If the photo belongs in the story you're building, tap Add to my thread. If you want to keep it in your library but not weave it into the story, tap Keep. And if it's clutter you may want to remove later, tap Delete later. If you see an extra photo that does not match the time window, don't worry, just use your judgment. Snags is where you guide LifeWeaver on what to include. And remember, if someone texted you a photo you want in your weave, save it to your Photos app first. Tap Continue when you're ready to move on. Here's your first day thread, a single day woven into a story. You can tap Edit to reshape it, tap Share to send it to someone you love, or tap Create Time Tapestry to weave a longer story from the past month. When you're ready, tap Start weaving your story to begin. Day threads are made to be shared. Choose text, WhatsApp, or email, or tap Copy Link to share your story anywhere. If you want to reshape your day thread, tap Edit. Tell LifeWeaver what to adjust, add, or emphasize, then tap Apply and Regenerate. LifeWeaver will weave your feedback into an updated version you can review before saving. Now you can compare versions. Toggle between previous and regenerated. If you prefer the original, tap Keep Previous. If the new version feels better, tap Save Regenerated. You've just seen a day thread, a single day woven into a story. Now let's weave a time tapestry, a longer story created from patterns across time. LifeWeaver will gather moments from your past 30 days of available data and weave your first time tapestry in the background. Tap Continue. A few thoughts can help LifeWeaver notice what matters. Add a reflection if you'd like. even a sentence is enough. Then tap Generate Time Tapestry to weave your past month into a longer story. LifeWeaver is gathering your tapestry now. We'll take you to your finished time tapestry as soon as it's ready. Here's your time tapestry, a longer story woven from a season of life. Tap Share to send it to someone you love, tap Edit to refine it, or tap Go to Dashboard to keep exploring. Time tapestries are meant to be shared. Choose text, WhatsApp, or email, or tap Copy Link to share it anywhere. Welcome to your dashboard. This is where your story continues. From here you can capture a daily drop, open your day thread, explore time tapestries, and view your cast of characters. This is your day threads list. Tap any day to open it. Tap the plus button to create, and use the trash icon to delete an entry you don't want to keep. Your story is your hub for long-form woven stories and the people who appear throughout them. Tap Time Tapestry or cast of characters to explore. This is Settings. Here you manage your account, data sources, subscription, and customization, plus your journaling reminders, life threads, tone, and filters. This is your Time Tapestries library. Tap any tapestry to open it, tap the plus button to create a new one, and use the trash icon to delete. To create a new time tapestry, give it a title, add optional context, and choose whether you want months or years. Select a start date and end date, then tap Create Tapestry. This is an example of a woven story screen. Scroll to read, tap the pencil icon to edit, or tap Go to Dashboard when you're ready to keep exploring. This is your cast of characters. It's everyone who has a place in your story. If LifeWeaver finds a face it doesn't recognize yet, you'll handle it here. Tap Unlabeled. Unlabeled is your quick cue. Tap any face to identify them. If they're already in your cast of characters, turn on Already Labeled, search their name, select the right match, and tap Save. A few labels like this make your weave more accurate everywhere. Once they're labeled, they'll show up here, and LifeWeaver can group memories correctly going forward. That's it! Your account is set up, your data sources are connected, and your weave is ready to grow. If you ever want to adjust your reminders, tone, or what stays visible, you can do that anytime in Settings. And if you need help, call our LifeWeaver Setup Assistant or email us. We're here to help.